बैठ जाइए, आप डिस्टर्ब मत करिए, बैठ जाइए।
I have 12 minutes, sir. Please let me finish in 12 minutes. The chair always asks me not to get angry. I will not be angry for what I have to say. I will only say that we've only been fooled. I have brought this topi with me because this man has topi pen out this wonderful nation. I will start with wearing this topi. I have some extra for others who feel the same.
Please don't do that.
I want to summarize this story by simply saying a company who in infrastructure where you have to win most things by tender or have to get a regulated return. I want to summarize this story by simply saying a company who's in infrastructure where you have to win most things by tender or have to get a regulated return cannot have high multiples when it is growing with debt. Most infrastructure companies make a 5 to 15% return if they're lucky and they get everything right. Once an infra is built, it is usually sold to pension funds when the infra player keeps a small portion as an operator of the asset. The multiples at which this A company is trading was absolutely outrageous. Even Google, Amazon, and Microsoft don't trade at such multiples. Ultimately, markets are and should be about fundamentals. I want to ask all of you, when a Russian company was taking over an oil refinery from an Indian business, it was not an attack on India. When Mumbai's electricity was taken over with funds from Qatar, it was not an attack on India. The pride of India lies not in the wealth of one individual. The pride of India lies in the robustness of its institutional structures. I don't want to get into a Wall Street short sellers allegations. I don't want to get into a Wall Street short sellers allegations. I want answers to what I've asked. Sir, Mr. Chairperson, sir, are you going to do your job? And please ask the honorable gentleman to sit down. Are you going to do your job, sir, and ask this honorable gentleman to sit down?
I'll tell the House.
Sir, I think it is within the scope of your duty to either ask the gentleman to speak down or throw him out with the marshals.
Honorable member, आप अगर इसी तरह डिस्टर्ब करते रहे, आपका नामित किया जाएगा।
I do not want to.
आपको नामित किया जाएगा। बार-बार इस तरह डिस्टर्ब मत करिए।
Sir, if he doesn't understand English,
किसी और को इस तरह डिस्टर्ब करने की हक आपके नहीं है।
the pride of India.
आपका नामित किया जाएगा। I warn you.
I
Let the other members from the ruling party are aware and make him aware. This is not the way you have to behave inside the House.
Sir, either throw him out or give me extra time.
This is not the way.
Okay.
You cannot disturb like this. No, I'm not disturbing. You are disturbing the House. You are disturbing the House.
The pride.
आप disturbing the House. आपका समय नहीं है. आपका नाम बुलाया नहीं गया. बार-बार क्यों खड़े हो तो आप? और बैठे-बैठे भी बात करते रहते हो?
Sir, the pride of India is not the wealth of one individual. The pride of India lies in the robustness of its institutional structures. I don't want to get into a Wall Street short sellers allegations. That's not my job. I want answers to what I had asked in this parliament, what I have raised over and over again since 2019 in this House, in my repeated letters on record to the SEBI, to the CVC, to the DRI, the CBDT, and the Finance Ministry. It is a shame for us, it is a shame for our investigative agencies that these allegations against the A company were only listened to when global entities asked these questions. When I stood here,